A happy day.
What is it? What's in it?
Nutella, Oreos, Kinder Buenos, cream.
In what?
More Nutella in a waffle.
Have a bite of yours?
Yeah. Hey, you're hitting the Bueno. That's not fair. I didn't bite one of your Ferreros.
It's really happening in Camden Town. It's like really buzzing. There's so many people here. Everyone's got cool fashion. Everyone's pretty laid back. What are you getting, Em?
I'm getting a happy day. Yum.
What is it? What's in it?
Nutella. It's very nice. Look. Oh yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Next one yours, okay?
I've got two. Hi guys, so we're in Camden Town, Camden Market. We're really hungry. We found these little gems. It's like a waffle in a cone, and then it's got ice cream, nuts, obviously Nutella. Em got like Oreos, Bueno.
Yeah.
I went plain and simple and went all out.
You got Ferreros in there.
I got Ferreros too. So good. Yum.
Cheers.
Yum. I might get a hat. Hats for you.
Really brings out your eyes. I'm getting halloumi fries with yogurt and pomegranate. Whatever those things are. I've been waiting for halloumi fries in that long. Do I want what, sorry? Oh, yeah, what tastes good with it?
Normally comes with everything.
Oh, good, thank you. Yeah.
Wow.
I can't wait.
You and I till the